Welcome back, and today we are actually going to start the Discord part. So, we're going to go in here, and I just want you to open up a new tab. And the first thing we need to do is we need to create our bot. So, I'm just going to go in here, and we're just going to search up Discord Developer Portal, just like that, and click through here, however you want to get to it, but you're going to want to get to here. So, you're going to have to sign in, just sign in with your Discord account. You can do like a QR code if you don't have a Discord account, which you all should have one, but if you don't, just make one. And you'll get to this area where you have applications. So you want to create a new application, name it whatever. For this, I'm just going to do tutorial bot, just like that. Agree to terms of service and create. There you go. So now you're going to have your bot. So you can choose any icon for it. I'm just, let's see, what should we pick? Sure, I'll do, I'll do the war. Cool. Whatever. Doesn't really matter. You can do a description like this is a cool bot. Just like that. Alright. Now you're going to save your changes. So this is kind of your whole bot. And there's a lot of stuff in here. You've got your authentication, your URL generator, your bot, all this interesting stuff. So the first thing we need to do is we need to get it added to it. Now, if you're seeing this in class, I don't know if Mush is going to be using the exact same channel, but you should just this CCS bot Thunderdome will probably still be active, but no matter what, you're just going to add it to the channel. So how do you add it to a channel? You're first going to go to your OAuth and URL generator. Now you're going to click bot right here, and you're going to give it all of these everything here, boom, except this monetization insights, and then here go through and select all of these. So these are all the permissions that you're giving your bot. It's a lot more than we're going to need, but just no matter what you do, you'll be fine. Just from change nickname all the way down to view server insights, and then all of these are totally fine to use. You're going to get this URL, you're going to copy the URL, paste it just into your thing. You're going to have external application, your bot wants access, make sure it's your sign-in. Solve mystery Scooby the gang. Now you're going to click the server. So for this one, I'm just going to do CCS bot Thunderdome. Continue, make sure these are all good, authorize. Probably going to be asked if you're a human, that'll be fine. Should say authorize. Now, go in and make sure here it says good to see you tutorial bot, which means it was added to the server. Tutorial bot is right here. Perfect. Just like here, the bot added. Cool. Now that that's done, got to go back to the Discord developer portal, and we're going to go to our bot. Now this is a token. I'm going to quickly just go off screen to get my token really quickly, but basically what you're going to do is you're going to click reset token, yes, and it's going to come up with this super long token right here, right? What you're going to do is you're going to copy it, and then I'll explain how this works later, but all you want to do is in your new VS Code directory, you're going to write .env, you're going to click this plus one, write .env, then just write all uppercase token equals, and then paste it in. Now, I'll be right back. I'm actually going to put in my actual token because you don't want to put it online or share it anywhere because it can allow people to access your bot and do whatever they want with it. So I'll be right back. Alright, that is done. I've gotten mine into this .env file that you can see right here. I'm not going to open it up, but that's all. You just need to write .env token equals this token equals, and then you're just going to paste whatever it is, right? Okay, cool. So now we need to get discord.py ready to go. So first you're going to open up your terminal. You can do that with control and then the button right under escape. So it's like the tilde and the like back tick. And so you're going to get this loaded up, and this is the command terminal. So we're not going to need to do a lot in here, but it's like I talked about, the pip. So first what you're going to want to do is you're going to pip install Discord. And that should all be good. And then you're also going to want to write pip install python.env, just like that. You want both of those. The pip install python.env and pip install Discord. And those will both download. So now you can import Discord, and then from .env import load.env. Then you're going to import OS, which that's already there. And then I'm just going to make sure that I got this right. Discord.py.ext. Just make sure I got this right. From discord.ext import commands. From discord.ext import commands. And this should work. If it doesn't work, let me know. There's some way that you're gonna have to pip install this. Pip install discord.ext. It should be within the Discord, I'm pretty sure, but let me know if it's not. All right, so we've got this now. All set up, all of our imports. We can put away the terminal for now. We're back into just Python. So the first thing we need to do is we need to get our token. Now the reason our .env is here is what I'm going to show you later is we're going to be uploading our code right to the internet, but we don't want our token that people can steal and control our bot with. We don't want that token to be uploaded with the rest of our code. So our token is hidden in this .env file. So in order to get it, we have to load .env just like that. Then you're going to go down here and you're going to write token, I would do all uppercase, equals os.getEnv, and then you're in just token, just what it says in .env. Now our token is collected, which is super good. Now, I also just forgot this. You might have been asked to install the Python one. That should be installed already. You should be good with that. All right. So now what we need to do is we need to open up our bot. So I'm just going to take this code right here, copy and paste it, and I'm just going to put this here and I'm going to walk you through it. Okay, so first thing you're going to want to write is intents equals discord.intents.default, just like that. Then intents.message content is equal to true. Okay, then bot equals commands.bot command prefix is equal to whatever you want. I'm going to do $. You do not need to do $. You can do whatever you want to do. And there's a bunch of other stuff and we'll get into it. But so basically what we're doing is, if you don't know how to import, all your imports are done just writing import, and comments are done with a hashtag, just like that. So these are imports up here. Right here is going to be loading in the token, and then this is creating our bot. So what we're doing here is we're saying these are the intents of the bot. We're specifically saying that we want to be able to talk and see and edit message content, because that's the main thing we're going to do. And then we create our bot with the command prefix $. So whenever we want to do a command in Discord, we're going to need that $. All right, now at the bottom here, we're going to do bot.run with our token. Okay, so now we're just going to run it, which is F5. Get our Python file. What happened? Oh. Intents equals intents. Forgot about that. Now this should work. Yep. Oh. Oh, I know what I did. Okay, I actually forgot something. So you want to go back here to your developer portal, and you want to go to your bot, privilege gateway intents. You're going to want to check all three of these save changes. Okay, cool. Now we're going to go back, and this one should work now. Beautiful. Now it's not doing anything yet, but now if we go to Discord, it should say that our bot is online. Beautiful. And if you've made it this far, perfect. You have your bot online. That is awesome. In the next video, we're going to go into actually creating the first command that you can run, and that's going to be super cool. Thank you.